Good day and welcome to the Art League of Daytona Beach's annual January member show. This year we had 120 entries, and from sculptures to paintings to etchings to various works. Our judge for the show was John Wilton, a well-known artist in Central Florida area and a person who has judged more than 70 shows himself. And I'm going to turn this over to John, and he's going to talk to you about some of the work and some of the award winners, and we'll let it go at that.
Thanks for inviting me to do the show. It's great to be here again. Great show. When I judge shows like this, what I'm looking for is the outstanding. Very simply, those that stand out. Beyond that, it's perfection. In execution, mastery of the elements of art, mastery of the technique, mastery of the discipline, mastery of the medium. It's about composition, it's about draftsmanship, it's about the palette, but all of those combined, it still has to be perfection. The third place award goes to Catherine Parfait for a nice little acrylic painting called Rising Moon. They don't have to be big to be good, to be great. This is perfect, exciting composition, not formal, but very visually exciting when you stop and take a look at it. The small ones, hard to stop and look at, but this is very nice, elegant, up close. Beautiful brush strokes, some imaginative techniques. Outstanding. The Best of Show award this year goes to Weldon Ryan for an oil painting called Spice Man. Visually exciting, outstanding, perfect execution. Nice palette, smooth painting technique, flawless. The first place award goes to Eliza Kassler for her mixed media painting titled Joyous Jer. Outstanding, excellent. Another portrait. I like the fact that it's offset and still balanced. It's very subtle in its tonality. It's just flawless, and these are so hard to do. It's outstanding talent, and it needed to be recognized. This year, the second place award goes to John McLeod for his watercolor entitled Solitude. As we all know, watercolor is a very difficult medium to master. This is a masterful execution, very calming, perfect composition. Again, flawless. It makes you want to keep looking at it, find all those little details. Very elegant execution. A worthy award winner. Deborah Hildinger has earned an award of distinction with her mixed media gourd entitled Three Sisters. This is one of the pieces you really need to come in and see and get right up to it, get down close. There are amazing little details. She's drilled holes all through it. She's attached shiny things. Inside there are what I might call earrings, but I'm sure she wouldn't. But just all kinds of little stuff going on in here. Several pebbles attached to the bottom. It's just quite mesmerizing, and it's something that you can study for quite a while and still not find everything that's here. Very nicely done. Huang has earned an award of distinction for this mixed media painting entitled Chambers of the Heart. As you probably know, non-representational art is not easy to do. It looks like it should be, but to do it successfully is very difficult, and this one is very successful. Mindy Colton earned an award of distinction for her Mustang Memories Spirit mixed media sculpture. Mindy entered 2 pieces into the show. This one caught my attention probably because of its simplicity, the strength of the palette. Simple but strong, and then for detail and visual excitement, you get into the wiring, the mane, which is made of wire, and the tail, and of course, in her typical fashion, the long legs. And she has perfected the horse shape for her life's work. And it's a very nice entry into the show and worthy of an award.
Honorable mention for When by Betty Parker. The next honorable mention, Patchwork Life by Catherine Parker. The next honorable mention is Lakota Native American by Martha Mahoney. There's another honorable mention, Bridges, Nanette Long. A merit award, the first one goes to Carolyn Land, Deep Roots. Another merit goes to number 16, Midnight Garden by Gretchen Noss. The next merit award, Reflection, goes to Nancy Munier. Another merit award goes to Starry Skies, Key West by Arlene Kartak. Now we're on to recognition, number 113, Moonrise by Kathy O'Mara. Another recognition award goes to Rock Ground Shanty by Lee Nessler. The next recognition goes to Dragonfly Dance, Mary Wenzel. The next recognition, Silence of Snow, Jean Bannis. Then we go into achievement. And we have Contemplations Revisited, Elsie Toby. Another Achievement Award, Queen of Dreams by Grace Morandi. The next achievement goes to Sunrise at New Smyrna, Linda Hoffmeister. The next Achievement Award goes to Jack and Cicera by Christopher Kassler. The next Award of Distinction goes to Chambers of the Heart, Mimi Wang. The next Distinction Award goes to Winter's Warm Glow with Pat Lenting. Another Award of Distinction goes to Mustang Memories Spirit, Mindy Colton. Another Award of Distinction goes to Three Sisters, Deborah Hildinger. Third place goes to Rising Moon, Catherine Parfait. Second place, Solitude with John McLeod. First place, Joyous Girl from Eliza Kassler. We come to the one that everybody always is waiting in anticipation for, and that's Best of Show, and it's Spice Man Weldon Ryan.